Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can promote CPA offers and generate leads with Zeydoo CPA network. I'm going to share with you a step by step so you can watch this full video without skipping any part. I will share with you free traffic method. Guys, here you can see my result. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Guys, you can go on Google and you can search your Zeydoo. You can click here to open this URL. Here you can see Zeydoo platform has got 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot, 4.9 star ratings on affiliate paying. Zeydoo platform have exclusive CPA offers with high traffic volumes, giveaways, smart links, social, finance, mobile apps. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your account type. Now you can type your first name, last name. You can select your country. You can select your city. You can type your address. You can select your affiliate type. You can type here your email address. You can select your messenger type. Like you can select Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can provide your username in Messenger. Now you can click on next button. You can select your top verticals. You can select your geos. Here you can see they are asking what CPA networks have you worked with. You can type your CPA group, OG ads, Crack revenue. You can type your any CPA network. You can type your traffic sources. You can type here your achievements. Here you can see they are asking how did you hear about Zeydoo. You can type here YouTube. You can fill all of this information. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see revenue. Here you can see CPA offers. Here you can see vertical. Here you can see accepted device. Here you can see rate. And here you can see countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 234 countries. Let me show you how you can promote CPA offers. You can click on a smart link button. You will then come to this page. Here you can see description. Here you can see top performing smart link for any kind of traffic like social media, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Telegram, etc. And also pop under, push, banner, domain parking, redirect, in-app traffic back. Here you can see restrictions. No bot, no fraud, no proxy, no iframe. Propeller ads traffic is not allowed. Here you can see preview. Here you can see rate. And here you can see targeting device. Guys, first of all, you will have to link traffic source. You can click on add source button. Now you can add your traffic source. Like if you have traffic on Facebook, then you can type your Facebook. If you have traffic on Instagram, then you can type your Instagram. If you have traffic on TikTok, then you can type your TikTok. And then you can click on create button. After adding traffic source, you can click on get link button. Here you can see I have added 2 traffic sources. Here it is showing a smart link. You can simply click here to copy this smart link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can share this smart link on Facebook group, or you can insert this smart link on your website. Guys, if you do not have website and if you do not have audience on your Facebook page, then don't worry. You can visit on h1ad.com platform. You can post your free classified ads. You can scroll down. Here you can see countries. You can post your advertisement in any of these countries. Here you can see cities. Here you can see Australia cities, Canada cities, United Kingdom cities, India cities. And here you can see categories. Sale, vehicle, real estate, service, jobs, and here you can see listings. Here you can see this advertisement has got more than 12,000 views. Here you can see title. Here you can see category. Here you can see image of this advertisement. Here you can see description of this advertisement. Here you can see this person has inserted website link. Similarly, you can insert here your smart link. Using this platform, you can get good amount of leads. You can click on publish your ad for free button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your ad type, individual. You can click on continue button. You can select here post a classified ad button. You can select here country. You can choose USA country. You can choose here this option. You can select your category and then you can click on continue button. You can scroll down. You can type your title. You can type your ad description and then you can click on continue button. You can type for this kind of title and this kind of description. In next step, what you will have to do is you can paste here your smart link. You can visit on Zeydoo platform. You can scroll down. Here is showing a smart link. You can click here to copy this smart link. Now you can visit on this platform to shorten your URL. Here is showing shorten URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can visit on this platform, paste here that shorten URL. Click on continue button. You can scroll down. Click on continue button. You can select here country. You can select here region. Select here city. Now you can click on continue button. You can scroll down. Click on continue button. You can scroll down. You can paste your website URL. Click on continue button. You can scroll down. You can select here this option. Click on continue button. Now you can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. Your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. Guys, you will have to wait some time. After some time, your advertisement will go live on this platform. You can also post advertisement on this platform. Guys, when someone will visit on this URL, then Zeydoo platform will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Zeydoo platform may create your account. You can generate good amount of leads. Here you can see my result. Guys, you can also share your smart link on all of these platforms like Telegram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.